वेलकम फ्रेंड्स इन लेक्चर नंबर 20 और इसी लेक्चर में अपन आगे जाने वाले हैं द न्यूमेरिकल्स बेस्ड ऑन द फेराडेज लॉ। क्लियर? आप लोग रेडी है? ऑफ कोर्स। नाउ फर्स्ट 2 एम्पियर करंट इज पास्ड थ्रू मेल्ट सॉल्ट ऑफ टीन for 5 hours. As a result, 22.2 gram tin obtained at cathode. Then find the oxidation state of tin. Now molecular weight of tin is given 119 U. Okay. So लेक्चर नंबर 19 में मैंने लास्ट एक आपको क्वेश्चन करवाया था। सेम यही क्वेश्चन है। हमें फाइंड करना है टीन का ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट। तो ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट में कहां से मिलेगा? फ्रॉम द इक्विवेलेंट वेट। इक्विवेलेंट वेट का फॉर्मूला है मोलेकुलर वेट डिवाइडेड बाय ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट ऑफ मेटल, और यू कैन से वैलेंसी ऑफ मेटल। तो अपना पर्पस पहले क्या फाइंड करना पड़ेगा? इक्विवेलेंट वेट। नाउ सी, आई इज गिवन टू यू विच इज 2 एम्पियर। ओके, टी इज इक्वल टू 5 आवर्स। आपको मैंने बताया था कि जो टाइम है वो मस्ट बी इन सेकंड। सो 5 इंटू 3600 सेकंड एंड W is equal to 22.2 grams. Now W is equal to EQIT divided by 96,500, and so equilibrium weight is equal to W into 96,500 divided by IT. Put all the values and I got the answer of equivalent weight and is equal to 59.5 gram per equivalent. Now what is the formula of equivalent weight? Molar mass divided by oxidation state of metal. So oxidation state of metal is equal to molar mass divided by equivalent weight. Put the values and I got the answer. Oxidation state of the metal means oxidation state of tin is equal to +2. बहुत ही सिंपल और फाइन क्वेश्चन है which is very important for the JEE and NEET purpose. Now 4 ampere current, so what I got first, I, is passed through acidic water for 3 minutes and 30 seconds. What I got second value, which is T, 3 minutes 13 seconds. 3 minutes means 180 seconds plus 13 seconds is equal to 193 seconds. So find the volume of O2 liberated at anode. First of all, I want to find F is equal to IT divided by 96,500. Put the values and I got the answer 0.008 Faraday. Now N is equal to F divided by NE. You know, a formula of volume is equal to nRT by P, and the formula of N, mole, is equal to Faraday divided by number of electrons. So Faraday is equal to 0.008 divided by number of electron associated to produce the oxygen from water is equal to 4 by this equation. You know, 2H2O will gives O2 plus 4H plus and plus 4 electron. Okay, so whenever 1 mole O2 obtained at anode, 4 electron is released. Okay, so 4 electron are associated with this reaction, and so number of mole is equal to 0.002 mole. And now put the value of all the parameters in the V is equal to nRT by P, and we got the answer 0.04477 liter. If in the numerical question is asked like find the volume of oxygen in milli, so you have to multiply with 1000 and you got the answer 44.77 milli. Next, third question of the day. 1120 milli hydrogen is liberated at cathode when X ampere current is passed through water at STP for 965 seconds. Then find the value of X. What is X? Value of current, X ampere. So I is equal to question mark, T is equal to 965 seconds, and volume of H2 is given 1120 milli. I am going to convert into liter. So 1.12 liter. Now first of all, N is equal to PV divided by RT. You know PV is equal to nRT. So N mole is equal to PV by RT. Pressure is 1 atm at STP. Volume is 1.12 liter. Value of R is equal to 0.082 and value of T at STP 273 Kelvin. And so N is equal to 0.05 mole. And you know the formula of N is equal to F divided by number of electrons, and formula of F is equal to IT divided by 96,500. Okay, so my equation is like this: N is equal to F divided by NE. In place of F I put IT divided by 96,500. So N is equal to IT divided by NE into 96,500. Okay, number of electron associated for the reduction of H plus ion are 2, like this: 2H plus 2 electron and will gives H2. This reaction occurred at cathode. Okay, so number of electron is equal to 2 and I is equal to N into NE into 96,500 divided by T, and so my answer is I is equal to 10 ampere. Got it? Next. In the electrolysis of aqueous solution of CuCl2, you know copper chloride, copper is deposited at cathode by this reaction. Cu plus 2 electron will give Cu, and Cl2 gas is liberated at anode by this reaction. 2 Cl minus will gives Cl2 and plus 2 electron at a 300 Kelvin temperature and 1 bar pressure. Find the amount of copper and Cl2 liberated if 2 ampere current is passed for 1 hour. कॉपर का एटॉमिक वेट दिया है 63.5, क्लोरीन का 35.5 and value of R is equal to 0.08314 bar into liter mole inverse Callan inverse. Now first of all, given data is I and is equal to 2 ampere. T is equal to 1 R, multiply with 3600, so convert it into second, and volume of Cl2 and weight of copper is the question mark. Now first of all, I am going to find weight of copper. Formula is EQIT divided by 96,500, and so first of all I have to find equivalent weight of copper, and is equal to 63.5 divided by 2 means 31.75 gram per equivalent. Now put all the data in the formula. W is equal to 31.75, I is equal to 2, T is equal to 3600 divided by 96,500. So weight of copper is equal to 2.3689 gram. Now volume of Cl2 is equal to nRT by P, but N is equal to F divided by Ne, but F is equal to IT divided by 96,500. So my final formula is IT divided by NE into 96,500. Put the values and I got N is equal to 0.0373 mole. Now N is equal to 0.0373, R is equal to 0.08314, T is equal to 300 Kelvin given in the numerical, and P is equal to 1 bar. So answer is volume of Cl2 is equal to 0.9303 liter. Now next question, how much O2 gas is liberated at anode at 300 Kelvin temperature and 1 bar pressure if 2.5 ampere current is passed through aqueous solution of Na2SO4 for 1 hour. R is given to you 0.08314 bar into liter mole inverse Kelvin inverse. Now data is given, I is equal to 2.5 ampere, T is equal to 1 hour means 3600 second, and volume of O2 is the question mark. Now you know the oxidation of the H2O at anode reaction is 2H2O will give O2 plus 4H plus 4 electron. So number of electron associated with this reaction is 4 electrons. Now volume of O2 is equal to nRT by P, but N is equal to F divided by NE, but F is equal to IT divided by 96,500. So my final formula is IT divided by NE into 96,500. I is equal to 2.5, T is equal to 3,600, number of electron is equal to 4 into 96,500, and so value of N is equal to 0.02331 mole. Now volume of O2, in place of N you put 0.02331 mole. In place of R, you put 0.08314. In place of T, you put value 300, and the pressure is equal to 1 bar, and so answer is 0.5813 liter. Okay, same question था जो मैंने आगे पढ़ाया वही है. Clear? Next. 0.972 gram silver is obtained by passing 5 ampere current for 193 seconds through an aqueous solution of AgNO3. Calculate the efficiency of the electrolytic cell. Now see, you know the formula of cell efficiency is equal to experimental value divided by theoretical value into 100. So 0.972 gram Ag, which is given already in the numerical. Which value this is? Experimental value or theoretical value? Obviously, it is the experimental value. So WAG means experimental value is equal to 0.972 gram. To find cell efficiency, I have to find theoretical value, means W is the question mark. See, W is given in the numerical, which is experimental value of the silver. But I have to find theoretical value of the silver. So, WAG theoretical is equal to EQIT divided by 96,500. Equivalent weight of silver is 108. I is equal to 5 ampere and T is equal to 193.7. Second divided by 96,500. So WAG is equal to 1.08 gram, which is the theoretical value of silver must be obtained, but practically it is not occurred. Practically 0.972 gram silver obtained. So now cell efficiency is equal to experimental value divided by theoretical value into 100. 0.972 divided by 1.08 into 100, and so answer is 90%, which is the cell efficiency of the electrolytic cell containing aqueous solution of AgNO3. Now next question. if 1.93 ampere current is passed from an electric conductor, कोई वायर होगा उसमें से 1.93 एम्पियर करंट पासिंग हो रहा है, हाउ मेनी इलेक्ट्रॉन्स विल पास्ड थ्रू दैट पॉइंट इन 1 सेकंड। देखिए जब आपको इलेक्ट्रॉन की नंबर फाइंड करना है तब फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आपको फाइंड क्या करना पड़ेगा, या फिर आप लोग कूलम फाइंड कर लो या फिर आप लोग फैराडे फाइंड कर लो। आपको मालूम होगा 1 फैराडे is equal to 96,500 coulomb and is equal to 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23 इलेक्ट्रॉन है ना। 1 मोल इलेक्ट्रॉन पर चार्ज कितना होता है, 96,500 coulomb. So first my purpose is to find the value of coulomb. So Q is equal to IT 1.93 into 1 second, and so coulomb is 1.93 coulomb. Now if 96,500 coulomb, how many electrons are there? 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23 electron passed through this wire at that point, and if 1.93 coulomb is equal to question mark, and so my answer is 0.00012 into 10 raised to 23 electron, and so final answer is 1.2 into 10 raised to power 19 इलेक्ट्रॉन। हम 4 स्टेप इस और गए, 1 2 3 और 4, इसलिए 10 raised to power 23 में से क्या हो गया, 10 raised to power 19। ओके नेक्स्ट। नाउ सी दिस इज द अगेन सेम क्वेश्चन जो हमने अभी आगे पढ़ा था ना, वही है। 1.08 ग्राम सिल्वर ऑब्टेन बाय पासिंग 7.5 ampere current for 200 seconds through an aqueous solution of AgNO3. Calculate the efficiency of electrolytic cell. So जो efficiency of electrolytic cell find करनी है तो आपके पास दो वैल्यू होनी चाहिए, नंबर 1 theoretical value and number 2 is the experimental value. Experimental value हमें दी है न्यूमेरिकल में 1.08 ग्राम सिल्वर. So my purpose is to find the theoretical value of silver obtained in this electrolytic cell. So W is equal to EQIT divided by 96,500. Equivalent weight of the silver is 108 into 7.5 into 200 divided by 96,500, and so my answer is 1.6787 gram silver, which is the theoretical value. Okay, इतनी ग्राम जो है सिल्वर के वो मिलने चाहिए, लेकिन प्रैक्टिकली मिले नहीं, मिले कितने, 1.08 ग्राम सिल्वर. So cell efficiency is equal to 1.08 divided by 1.6787 into 100, and answer is 64.33%. Okay, next. How many grams of copper and what volume of O2 gas will be liberated if 18.4 ampere current is passed through from CuSO4 for 1 hour 42 minutes, 298 Kelvin temperature and 1 bar pressure. आपने पढ़ा है, लेकिन इसमें नया क्या ये है, देखिए 1 hour 42 minutes, तो करना क्या है, 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes plus 42 is equal to 102 minutes. So second is equal to 102 into 60. Okay. Now ये अपन ने आगे ही पढ़ा था, सेम क्वेश्चन है. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल W is equal to EQIT divided by 96,500. Put all the values in this formula and you got W is equal to 37.04 gram. Now volume of O2 is equal to nRT by P. N is equal to F divided by Ne. And F is equal to IT divided by 96,500 into, put the value of Ne, and so I get value of N is equal to 0.2917 mole. And now volume of O2 is equal to nRT by P. N is equal to 0.2917, R is equal to 0.08314, and T is equal to 298 divided by 1 bar. Answer is 7.227 liter. Clear? Next. How many ampere of current should be passed? So I is equal to question mark from the aqueous solution of Na2SO4 at 300 Kelvin temperature, so that ये देखिए 250 milli per minute O2 is obtained under 1 bar pressure. R is given. So T is equal to 1 minute, 60 second. यहाँ दिया है ना 250 milli O2 per minute, यानी कि value of T is equal to 1 minute. Volume of O2 is equal to 250 milli and is equal to 0.25 liter. Okay, so V is equal to nRT by P. Again, N is equal to F divided by NE is equal to IT divided by NE into 96,500. Number of electron associated with this reaction are 4. So V is equal to IT divided by NE into 96,500 into RT by P. ये हो गई वैल्यू किसकी? N की, और ये हो गया RT by P. क्लियर? नाउ हमें चाहिए क्या? I. So I is equal to V into NE into 96,500 into P divided by RT into T. Put all the values in this formula and you got I is equal to 64.48 एम्पियर. क्लियर? आपको मालूम आ रहा है ना? बहुत ही अच्छे न्यूमेरिकल है. सभी के जो उसकी जो फॉर्मूला है वो सेम ही है. मैं सेम फॉर्मूला के आधार पर ही आपको करवा रहा हूँ. आज को जब मैंने एग्जाम्पल करवाए उसमें सबसे ज्यादा क्वेश्चन आए वॉल्यूम फाइंड करना है, तो सबके लिए यही तो प्रोसेस आई ना. आप लोग एक बार ध्यान से समझ लेना, प्रैक्टिस एक ही न्यूमेरिकल की अच्छी तरह से कर दो तो सभी न्यूमेरिकल जो है ना आप लोग आसानी से स्पीड में कर पाएंगे विद इन अ फ्रैक्शन ऑफ 1 और 2 मिनट. ये 4 मार्क का जो क्वेश्चन है ना जेडब्ल्यू नीट के लिए या फिर बोर्ड के लिए, विद इन अ 2 मिनट आप लोग सॉल्व कर पाएंगे. ठीक है? नेक्स्ट. नाउ नेक्स्ट, हाउ मेनी स्पून can be electroplated by the silver when 5 ampere current is passed through electrolytic cell of AgNO3.4 2.7 hours. Now first of all, this is the one of the good IMP question which must be asked. बहुत ही IMP question है. Okay, for board purpose and JEE NEET purpose also. करना क्या है? देखिए मेरे पास एक स्पून है ना. इस स्पून पर मैं करना क्या चाहता हूं? अरे यार इसको एक चाक मत समझ लेना, एक स्पून है. ओके, कंट्रोल यार. तो इस स्पून पर मैं करना क्या चाहता हूं? सिल्वर का इलेक्ट्रोप्लेटिंग करना चाहता हूं. तो इस स्पून को एज अ कैथोड में लूंगा. तो कैथोड पर लेंगे तो रिएक्शन क्या होगी? सिल्वर नाइट्रेट के सोल्यूशन में Ag प्लस इलेक्ट्रॉन विल बी Ag. ये रिएक्शन होगी कैथोड पर, और ये जो सिल्वर मिला है ना वो यह स्पून पर डिपॉजिट हो जाएगा. तो क्वेश्चन ये पूछा है कि कितनी स्पून हम इलेक्ट्रोप्लेटेड कर पाएंगे ड्यूरिंग दिस रिएक्शन. तो करना क्या पड़ेगा? देखिए एग्जांपल में हमें ये बताया है 0.01 ग्राम सिल्वर ऑन ईच स्पून, यानी कि एक स्पून जो है उनके ऊपर कितना सिल्वर का लेयर लगाना है? 0.01 ग्राम. So if I have total weight of silver, then I can find the number of spoon can be electroplated. So my purpose is to find the weight of silver. W is equal to EQIT divided by 96,500. Equivalent weight is equal to 108 divided by plus 1. So is equal to 108. This is the equivalent weight. Now I is equal to 5 ampere. T is equal to 2.7 into 3,600. This is the new. T is equal to 2.7 R. So 2.7 R को हमें करना क्या है? सेकंड में कन्वर्ट करना है. तो क्या करना है? 3,600 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है. क्लियर? Divided by 96,500 and so I got 54.39 gram of silver is obtained at cathode नाउ क्या लिखेंगे? इफ 0.01 ग्राम सिल्वर आई हैव ड्यूरिंग दिस रिएक्शन, then 1 spoon can be electroplated. So 54.39 gram silver if I have, then question mark. So answer is 5439 spoon can be electroplated by silver during this reaction. Okay, पहले W फाइंड कर लो, फिर क्या लिखना है? if 0.01 gram silver 1 spoon can be electroplated, then 54.39 gram silver, then question mark. So answer is 5439 spoon can be electroplated. Okay guys, तो इस तरह आज हमने अपना लेक्चर नंबर 20 खत्म किया. ओके, आशा रख रहा हूं कि आपको यह सभी जो न्यूमेरिकल्स में करवा रहा हूं वो अच्छे से आपको समझ में आते होंगे और आप लोग इसको आपकी नोटबुक में लिखकर सॉल्व भी कर रहे ही होंगे. क्लियर? तो आज का लेक्चर हम खत्म करते हैं. इसके बाद के लेक्चर में, लेक्चर नंबर 21 में अपन जा रहे हैं कुछ सेल्स के बारे में और 3 और 4 क्वेश्चन अभी भी मैं फेराडेस के लॉ के बारे में करवाऊंगा इन द लेक्चर नंबर 21. क्लियर? ओके, बाय बाय.